Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are going to be opening my base box, BoxyCharm, and we're going to be doing things a little bit differently, as you'll find out in a minute. And hi, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and on my channel we do talk about subjects regarding makeup, but we also talk about subjects regarding agoraphobia. My handle is agoraphobic and loves makeup, so we talk about both. If you are interested in either of those subjects, or if you are interested in both of those topics, then I would highly suggest you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification button and set it to all, so you will be notified every time I upload a video. And if you are interested in seeing what is in my BoxyCharm base box for the month of June 2021, then hang in there because we are getting right into it. Okay, alright, so usually I open my BoxyCharms ahead of time and play with the product and review the product, but today I just got this yesterday and I have not opened it, so I'm going to open it with you guys. And I've already taken off the little seal here, and that's all I've done. And we're going to go through it together. And so your surprise will be my surprise. So let's just hop on into this box. As you can see, it is the red box. And it says BoxyCharm, and on here it says Hello Charmer, and that's what it looks like inside. And you get, it doesn't have a little, it just has this in there this time. It doesn't have the little egg warmer things in. We get the little card, and the card says, Dare to Dazzle. Well, I hope that means I got makeup this time instead of skincare. Let's see. Let's grab this first because I know what this is. This is my product that I chose. Was the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. And let's see what this says. This cult favorite lip pencil instantly delivers the impact of a matte lipstick with the spontaneity of a pencil. The long-lasting, non-drying formula is enriched with vitamin E and emollients for a creamy texture that ensures seamless matte color for hours. MSRP $27. Wow, and I got mine in color Dolce Vita. Dolce Vita. Yeah, you can see that. Well, it looks redder than it does on screen. Yeah, I think I will like that. I wanted to make sure I got some makeup in my box. That's why I chose that product. So let's start at the top. Oh, we got an eyeshadow palette. OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. It's wrapped up. The diverse array of shades ensure your looks stand out, featuring the essential matte shades to create depth from subtle golden shimmers all the way to bold blue metallic. Bold blue metallic, huh? The possibilities are endless, created with all skin types tones in mind. The formula is smooth, buttery, and highly pigmented. MSRP $40? Wow. Wow, that is a lot of color. Look at that. Let me... There's not a lot of matte. Those are some matte. And there are some shimmers. It's not standout-ish, but it is very pretty. I like metallics more. But, hey, it's makeup. I'm very happy. And it's a very interesting color story. Definitely. All right, good job. Good job, Boxy. What is the next thing? Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. Another makeup product? Okay, that's what she looks like. Glowdient. I think I'm going to have to rip it to get inside of it. Okay, this looks nice. Little plastic packaging, but that's okay. Ooh, look at that. What does it say? A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. Well, I see this more as like a highlight palette, don't you? Yeah, that looks like a highlighter to me. I just ran my finger through all of the colors. Because if you use that for a bronzer, that is a shiny bronzer. And cheeks, well, I can see cheeks, but my makeup brush would just pick up all the other colors. But I can see cheeks in there, yeah. I like this. Okay. Wow, good job. Good job, Boxy. What's next? The Luna Magic Beauty Vava Voom Pink Eyelash Primer. More makeup. That's what she looks like. Now, I've got a lot of eyelash primers. But hey. And this one's pink. Wow, with just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides onto evenly coated and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new and innovative emulsifier which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long-lasting. MSRP $25. Oh, and the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient makeup palette was $34. Wow. And the last thing is Jecca Black Hydrate Primer. So technically also a makeup product. Let me see how this feels. Oh, good. It's got a safety seal on it. Yeah, it feels like one of those hydrating primers. So I can see that. Okay, finally, a moisturizer that'll help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. So, somewhere, the BoxyCharm gods were listening to me last month, and when I said I want makeup in my box, and they delivered to me makeup in my box. So I got the Nars Velvet Matte Lipstick, the OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette, the Luna Magic Beauty Voom Pink Lash Primer, and the Jecca Black Hydrate Primer, which I love using different primers with different foundations. So I will put down here the total value of the box. And yeah, if you are interested in what I am wearing, I did film this yesterday and I get ready with me. I will put the link down below. And give this video a like if you like this video, please. It will really help my channel out. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm. Are we Boxy twins? Do you like getting makeup in your BoxyCharm, or do you like getting skincare in your BoxyCharm? I personally like getting makeup in my BoxyCharm. And or anything. Just let me know how your day is going. So, yeah, I hope you all are having a wonderful day out there, and that the weather isn't killing you. I know it's hot some places where some people are, and some people are very miserable. I'm very sorry to hear that. If you are not having a great day, well, just remember that tomorrow is another day. But if you are going through a rough patch, believe me, I know how you feel, and I am sending out good vibes towards you. And just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and to stay safe. And I will see you in another video. Okay? All right. Goodbye.